want to date a foreigner because I know foreigner man is a good man and have what I mean serious man. I'm a simple girl only. I want to look a partner, uh, old partner that strong, that loving, serious, and have beside me. I'm a humble. I am a humble girl. I'm loving girl and shy.
Let's start with the questions. Okay, so first question. Tell me your first name, your age, and where are you from in the Philippines?
My name is Lilibeth Piala. I'm 39 years old. I'm from Negros Oriental.
You're from Negros Oriental. Okay, gotcha. So tell me, Beth, what's life like in your city in Negros?
Canlaon City.
Yes, what is life like there in Canlaon City?
Life here is farming, sugarcane. That's only.
Okay,
It's very
so
to find money,
it's
find
very
work.
sorry? It's difficult to find work there in your city?
Yes.
Okay, understood. But how about your dating life? How has dating been for you there in your city?
As of now, I don't have any relation, but I have child.
Okay, so as of now, you're not dating anyone?
No.
No, okay, gotcha. And you've mentioned that you have 4 children, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, tell me, why do you want to date a foreigner?
I want to date a foreigner because I know foreigner man is a good man and have uh, what I mean serious man.
Okay. So foreigners are good and serious men. Okay. Got it. Now, do you prefer a relationship with a foreign man or a Filipino?
Foreign man.
Can you tell me why? Aside from them being serious and a good man?
I want foreign man because I try a Filipino already and I want to try a foreign man because I know maybe, but for me, I want a foreign man. Maybe the foreign man is a god and uh, they give a beautiful life in a
Okay,
Philippines.
so because foreign, you've mentioned foreign man can give you good life. Is that right? Okay. So tell me, what do you bring to the table in a relationship?
I bring for me, I bring uh, uh, honest for me. Uh, I prepare to be caring here, to be caring here, and to love forever.
Okay, thank you for that. So, would you consider living abroad if with your partner?
Yes, if soon.
Okay. And tell me, what are you looking for in a partner?
I'm I'm a simple girl only. I want to look a partner, uh, old partner that strong, that loving, serious, and have faithful in God.
Okay, so you want someone who is strong, loving, serious, and fear in God?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, what's your idea of a romantic date?
Romantic date.
Mm.
I have idea, but I want a simple only. I don't want to elegant. I want a simple girl only. what, I mean, if what they give to me, that's okay. That's okay.
Okay. Gotcha. You just want a simple romantic date. Okay. Now, can you speak a little louder so that we can hear you? Now, if a man, Beth, if a man wanted to win your heart, what should he do?
Ma'am,
If a man wanted to win your heart, what should he do?
if a man that he wanted to win my heart,
Yes. What should he do?
what he do? You mean?
Yes.
Sorry. Only to leave me forever, and loving my kids.
Okay.
That's
To believe in you and to love your kids. All right. Now, okay. Now tell me, how would your friends describe you in 3 words? How would they describe you?
friends for me.
Yes. How would your friends describe you?
Friends describe me. I'm a humble girl. I'm loving girl and shy.
And
Yes.
sorry, what's the third one? You mentioned you are loving, humble, and what's the third one?
Shy.
Shy? Okay, okay. So yeah. Tell me now, what are your hobbies or the things that you enjoy doing during your spare time?
I love cooking, mom. Cooking food, any food. I love cooking.
Cooking food. Okay. And now, Beth, if you meet the right man, how soon would you be ready to date him?
Ma'am, pardon?
Once you meet the right man, how soon would you be ready to date him?
Date?
Yes.
Ready?
How soon would you be ready to start dating?
As soon. If have a man right now, it's okay. Or maybe next month, or when. It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, as soon as you got the right man. Okay, sounds good. All right, thank you so much, Beth. That was really great.